Hey guys, it's Kerry. Fish are vertebrate animals. Their spinal cord is surrounded by bone or cartilage. Their gills extract oxygen from the water around them. Fish are covered in scales, which are often covered in a layer of slime to help their movement through the water. Pleuroceras is a genus of ammonite from the lower Jurassic period. Fossils have been found in Canada, Europe, and the United Kingdom. Nautilus pompilius, or simply the chambered nautilus. They have a pair of rhinophores located near each eye, which detect chemicals and use olfaction and chemotaxis to find their food. Red-eared slider turtle. They are almost entirely aquatic, but as they are cold-blooded, they leave the water to sunbathe to regulate their temperature. Blue shark. They are light-bodied with long pectoral fins. Like many other sharks, blue sharks are counter-shaded. The top of the body is deep blue, lighter on the sides and white underneath. The blue shark is oceanic and epipelagic, found worldwide in deep temperate and tropical waters from the surface to about 350 meters. King crab are a taxon of crab-like decapod crustaceans. Because of their large size and the taste of their meat, many species are widely caught and sold as food. Sally Lightfoot crab. The young ones are black or dark brown and camouflage well on the black lava coasts of the Galapagos volcanic islands. Blue crab. Crabs walk and swim sideways. The males are bright blue in colour with white spots and with characteristically long chelipeds. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Spiny lobster. They have a slightly compressed carapace, lacking any lateral ridges. They live in rock crevices and coral reefs, only occasionally venturing out at night to seek food. Moray eel. They rely mostly on their highly developed sense of smell, lying in wait to ambush prey. Weedy sea dragon. The females lay around 120 eggs onto the brood patch located on the underside of the male's tail. Reef squid. They are easily recognizable by their large rounded fins that extend almost the entire length of their mantles. Ammonite. The earliest ammonites appeared during the Devonian, and the last species vanished in the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event. Sailfish. The sail is normally kept folded when swimming and raised only when the sailfish attacks their prey. They are one of the fastest marine animals. Seahorse. They propel themselves by using small fins on their back and steer with pectoral fins either side of their head. Largemouth bass is carnivorous. The male makes a nest using the rocky and weedy bottoms. After a female is found, the two bass swim around the nest together, turning their bodies so that the eggs and sperm that are being released will come in contact on the way down to the nest. The male guards the nest. Sperm whale. They are named after the waxy substance, spermaceti, found in their heads. The spermaceti is an oil sac that helps the whale's focus sound. It used to be used in oil lamps and for lubricants and candles. The sperm whale is a pelagic mammal with a worldwide range and will migrate seasonally for feeding and breeding. Females and young males live together in groups, while the mature males, the bulls, live solitary lives outside of the mating season. A mature sperm whale has few natural predators, although calves and weakened adults are sometimes killed by pods of killer whales. The S-shaped blowhole is located very close to the front of the head and to the whale's left. This gives rise to a distinctive bushy forward-angled spray. Pygmy sperm whale are small, robust whales with a distinctive underslung jaw. Not unlike sharks, they have the shortest rostrum amongst cetaceans. Humpback whale. The female has a hemispherical lobe about 15 centimeters in diameter in her genital region. This visually distinguishes males and females. The male's penis usually remains hidden in the genital slit. Humpbacks feed in polar waters and migrate to tropical or subtropical waters to breed and give birth, fasting and living off their fat reserves. Basking shark. It is a slow-moving filter feeder. It has a greatly enlarged mouth and highly developed gill rakers. Although it is large and slow, it can breach, jumping entirely out of the water. This behavior could be an attempt to dislodge parasites or commensals. It may also be a display of size and strength. Megalodon was one of the largest and most powerful predators to have ever lived. They had a massive bite force and their teeth were thick and robust, built for grabbing prey and breaking bone. Killer whale. They are top-level carnivores. Goblin shark. They have semi-translucent skin, and the pink color is due to visible blood vessels beneath the skin. Grey whale. They are often hosts to dense infestations of skin parasites, which gives their skin a rough and motley appearance. During the breeding season, it is common for females to have several mates. Males also show seasonal changes, with an increase in size to their testes, which correlates with the time females undergo estrus. This mammal is descended from filter-feeding whales that appeared at the beginning of the Oligocene over 30 million years ago. They have two blowholes on top of their head. Great white shark bare their teeth and roll their eyes back into their heads when they attack, putting the shark's jaw and teeth into the best attack position, and at the same time protecting their eyes from claws and barbs. Great white sharks are ovoviviparous, which means eggs develop and hatch in the uterus and continue to develop until birth. Great whites attack by propelling themselves at their prey with great speed. They take a single massive bite and drag their victims down into deeper water. Then they let go and the victim bleeds to death before being eaten. They are found in coastal surface waters in every major ocean and can swim in water only 3 feet deep. To attract a mate, they sometimes do what is called pattern breach. They propel 2/3 of their body out of the water and land flat against the surface, causing a large splash. please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.